Hi all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. Today we will add navlink. So what is navlink? We will look together what it is. Right now our AI is very dumb, like he just following us and he is not jumping. So we will add the jump functionality. If you will look carefully here, if I will drag and drop our AI here, give me a second. I haven't added anything in the favorite, so let me add one. C++ actors. Nope. Go AI. So let me add it to favorite. So I don't have to go and find him. So if I will drag drop him here, right? And if let me move this gun here somewhere. If I will play, see right now he just coming, around like he's not jumping like me. So to add that functionality, we will add, there is already a class given from the Unreal called nav link, nav navlink proxy. If you will direct drag drop it, you see the point, right? And if I will press G, you can look this better and press P. Press P, it will load your nav data and you can see where I should begin and where I should end. Okay, you have some idea. So right now, the default navlink is like user AI, he will just have the idea, okay, there is path available. But how to use that, he don't have that data. So one of the option is like, we can move, like we can make our own class using this as the parent class. So we will use that. So the AI will understand like what's the like how he can use that nav link. Another thing is right now when you will directly drag drop the nav link, it does have two type of nav. One is the simple one and second one is the smart one. So this is the simple link which you can see and this is the smart link. And by default, the one which is visible, it is the simple link. And when we will create our own link, we can override the functionalities or the event in the smart link. So and we do want to use the smart link, reason because we do want to override. Okay, let's imagine if AI is coming towards this point, because AI know, like as soon as you will drag drop the nav link, AI know, okay, if there is a path available from here to here. So if let's imagine if this is somewhere here and if AI is here at this position. So if he has to go downward, then he will just move down. But let's imagine if we have to make the AI jump like from here to here, how he can do that. So we can also do that, but using the smart link. So that is why we will override this class. And first thing what we will do, we will just delete this simple link because we don't want that. As soon as you will delete it, you see it is gone. We do want to use the smart link. So as soon as you will click this smart link is relevant, you will see again two type of like these two boxes. So at the same time, it will be visible if you won't delete the simple one. So in our case, we will delete the simple one and we will just use the smart link. But in the smart link, you cannot drag directly boxes. So you have to use these options. Using this option, you can just move your move your options around. I think you have some basic idea, and the options which are available if you go down and then have proxy. Is it not available here? Okay, give me a second. Let me show you. Go to the A all content here only in content. Right click and we will go to blueprint. We will search for navlink and navlink proxy. Just select, open it. If you will go down, you can see we have options right on navlink reached. so this option, this event we need. So to override this event, we need the smart option one, right? There were two type when we were searching out. One is the simple one and one is the smart one. We will use a smart one. So let's do that in C++. So let me delete this. Go to our beloved writer. It's an actor type. So in actor, I will create one folder called extra, and we will use a nil class, and we know the overrided class will be nav link proxy, and the prefixed with a because it's an actor. Just select it and we will name it as am nav link. Okay, just press OK. Perfect. Uh, Perfect. So first thing, if you will go to that base class, we have the point links, and by default it is filled with one already. So in the constructor, we will delete, we will empty that array because we don't, this is the simple link actually. So we will empty that. So here dot empty. What it will do, it will delete, like it will empty the whole array. Second thing, there was one option if I remember, that option again, give me a second. Uh, nav link, nav link proxy. If you will see, this option smart link is relevant, so we have to turn it true. So smart link relevance, p smart link is relevant, it's true. So we have deleted this in our class and we have turned this on, so we will have these two options. Now we need that event. The event was reached something, right? So when you will go to that link proxy, search for reached. So this event, if you look carefully, this is blueprint implementable event and this is smart link reached. Go to CPP of navlink and this is on the broadcast. And here we know, okay, this is an assignable. So this is a multicast delegate. Okay, so we can directly bind our function here. So actually, just to learn Unreal Engine, it is really good if you will deep dive in the engine side and just look how they have coded. So it will be really easy for you to code. So now I already know, okay, this declaration or like this multicast delegate is available, so we can use that and it will give us these two variable which is self-explanatory. So the actor which will overlap those, these cylinders, it will be here and this will give you the destination point. So let's imagine if I am here, this will be the destination point. If I am here, this will be the destination point, because the link direction is the both way. You can override it, but in our case we need it in the both way, right? So okay, so what we will do, mhm, we will go to our nav link. In begin play, we will bind. So on add dynamic, this comma, and here we have to provide a function address. So one option is to, go directly to its signature, or else I will just use the rider functionality on smart link reached. It will be the same. So on uh, link reached, just press alt enter and it will give the exact signature which you need. So alt enter, generate definition. So first, just to check utils, we will print a log. You have reached somewhere. Okay, so let me delete this because we will override it. uh, Perfect. So let's check if it is working fine or not. So let's compile. Okay, in the meantime, I think this will be the best place to do that because it is all closed, right? Here it is open. So CPP class zombie actors extras, and we will drag drop it. So we can see our cylinder. We will just rotate it. Okay, and we will increase the size just to make it more feasible. We will just duplicate it because you know zombie can select where where to jump, so he will do that. And let's try that trick again. So let me try. Let me pick my gun first. It is not here. Okay, here he comes. Okay, here he is. He sees us. I'm here. Okay, he is not considering that location. Why is that? Okay, the reason being is these nav meshes, these nav links uh, are not connected to that nav data. So we have to do it like this. Now you see that arrow and it is all green. Now let's try that. Right click, play from here, or we can directly, spawn one AI here just to make things faster. Right click, play from here. See, now you can see the log. It is saying you have reached somewhere, and zombie don't know how to use that nav link, but we know okay that function is working fine. So what we will do, we will make first we will check if that character is of type character or not. So if a character uh, character is equals to cast moving a character and moving actor, and alt enter, include the definition of character. So if it is an actor, we can use the launch character function. So a character dot, sorry, zombie character. And it can be something, because let's imagine if we will say AI character. The reason I am not casting it to our zombie, because in the future, let's imagine if we decided to add someone else who's not zombie and it's an AI. So, and I'm hoping here like it will be a character. So that's why it's a launch character. And here we need a launch velocity. Launch velocity. We don't have one, so we will do that. And we will override XY, yes, and we will override Z, yes. So we need this launch velocity, so F vector launch velocity. Okay, so in here we have one function. Give me a second. Let me open some blueprint. We have function called predict velocity, if I'm not wrong. Predict projectile velocity. Predict projectile. Give me a second. What was that option again? Okay, it's not predict, it's suggest. So suggest projectile velocity custom arc because we are using some arc here. So what it will do, it will give you the launch velocity. Here we just have to enter the start point and the end point. If you will hover over it, it is saying the target is gameplay statics. So what we will do, we will use the U gameplay statics suggest projectile velocity custom arc. Uh, get world, and here we have to enter the launch velocity, and it's an out signature, so it will give you the velocity inside this variable. Next is the starting position, and we know, like in our case, the starting position will be of this actor only. So moving actor dot get actor location, comma, we need a destination, so destination is already there. Okay, this is perfect. The next thing is, see, like when the when the zombie will try to jump, right? Give me a second. Where is our link? Link. Okay. Yes. So when he will try to jump, if we'll directly give this point, he will jump. He will like go like this, right? So we have to add some z value to it. So let's do that. So plus f vector, and we will add 0 comma 0 comma maybe 500 or so, so he can easily jump to that location. We will also do some fun activity with this one, so let me compile our game as our coding is over. Okay, uh, okay, perfect. Let me try play from here. See, now he is working fine. This is nice. So let me remove this, and this is working fine, right? Just to make, and let me press G now because we don't need those things anymore. So, and let me duplicate this nav link. So again press G, pressing Alt, pressing Alt again. So I'm just giving our zombie so much more room when he's trying to jump, right? So I will duplicate it one more time. Rotate. Okay. Nice. Again Alt. Uh-huh. Now I will just duplicate these, pressing Alt again. Uh, so this will make the things interesting while playing, right? We will duplicate these. Okay, this is looking perfect. Again, pressing Alt. Okay, just to make things interesting, if possible, let me delete this. I haven't tested it out, but no, I do want if some zombie to jump from here to here. Give me a second. Okay, so let me just choose one, maybe anything we can choose. Just duplicate it, and we will modify the value from here. Okay, and we will increase the z value. When we will increase the z value, uh -huh. Nope. Mm-hmm. We have to decrease it. And we have to check like if it is connected. Right now I can't see that bar. So maybe we have to now I can see. See, like as soon as you see this bar, that means it is connected. Okay, some tweaks here and there, and this is perfectly fine. I'm just surprised like how will it look when I will shoot from the top. So let's test. This is getting interesting. Use my gun. I think he jumped, right? He jumped. Me? Getting interesting. Okay, let me delete this and let me play from here. Okay, but I need my gun. Okay, oh fuck. Nice. This is perfect. This is perfect. Okay, next thing I think we have added something extra. So maybe not 500 but 200 and it will make more sense. Let's see how will it look if we will add uh, 200 more to it, 230 and 430. Okay, it is a lot, right? So 230. Maybe 100 will also look okay when we are adding that. But it and that value. So let's expose it to the blueprint also. And this is just for the future, not for this one. So uh, you property, add it anywhere, and blueprint read write because I do want it to tweak if in future, of course. So float. Yes. The offset of z offset nav link by default we'll keep it to maybe 200. 200 or 100 is also good, but let's keep it 200 for now and we will just replace it. uh Perfect. I do want to play this again just to check how it will look. But this is just fun, right? Let me go up. I can hear some scream. I'm hearing. Okay. Sometimes it give me that goosebump. Yes, let me hit him. He will go there first, then he will jump. See? Nice. Perfect. So this is really, really good. I was not expecting it to be that good. What else can we do with this nav link? Maybe, okay. Hmm. I don't think we can add much. I think maybe from here to here. Maybe, not sure. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you and have a nice day. So if you are liking this series, do like and do subscribe. Bye bye and have a nice day.